Learn World's Training AI Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get online training platforms wrong. They assume course creation is complicated or AI tools are gimmicks. The surprising truth about Learn Worlds is that it combines AI-powered course creation with a robust learning management system, and you won't believe how quickly it can help educators and businesses launch professional training programs. Here's how it works. Learn Worlds allows you to create interactive courses with AI-assisted content suggestions, quizzes, and multimedia integration. AI tools help generate lesson plans, assessments, and even interactive elements, speeding up the course creation process. For example, a corporate trainer can design a compliance course in hours, use AI to generate examples and exercises, and track employee progress through detailed analytics. Most people get this wrong. They think AI replaces creativity, but it's meant to enhance efficiency and learning engagement. Additional benefits include customizable branding, integrated payment systems, gamification, and certifications. Users praise its flexibility, ease of use, and AI features that save time without sacrificing quality. However, there are considerations. High-level customization may require learning the platform, and AI-generated content should always be reviewed for accuracy. Most people assume AI replaces human, and to successful courses balance AI assistance with personal expertise. In conclusion, Learn Worlds is ideal for educators, trainers, and businesses seeking a modern, AI-enhanced training platform to create engaging and professional online courses efficiently. Subscribe for more honest reviews of e-learning and training technology.